Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing an unboxing of this Crux wiring harness adapter, which allows you to install an aftermarket radio in select Volkswagen vehicles. In this video, we're going to show you everything that comes in this box and all the features that this harness holds. Let's get started. Now, before we pull everything apart, like we said, this is from 2002 and up. Let's flip this on over. It actually fits quite a few different Volkswagens and, believe it or not, certain Maserati vehicles as well. Now, it does support certain radios, but if you have questions on if this works for your vehicle or not, head over to cruxinterfacing.com and use your vehicle fit guide just to ensure that you're picking up the correct wiring harness for your year, make, and model. So, without further ado, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Crux Interfacing Solutions, an excellent location for radio replacements, camera interfaces, and more. Check out cruxinterfacing.com to start planning your next install today. Alright, so here in the box, some of the elements that you'll find. First and foremost is your main wiring harness adapter. This end plugs into the factory harness that originally plugged into the factory radio. And this end would wire into your new radio, depending on which radio you're looking to have installed. Also has this little end that comes off, which plugs into our brain module. This brain module provides accessory, illumination, a lot of the needed features that are lacking back behind the radio. And it also, if so equipped, will retain your factory steering wheel controls on your vehicle and integrate them to the new radio, which is pretty cool. It also comes with two various steering wheel control harnesses depending on which radio you're looking to install. And finally, comes with wiring instructions. Now let's take a quick look here at these wiring instructions. So big things here, this retains both the amplified and non-amplified Volkswagen, so whether you have upgraded sound system or not, this harness will work for you. Also will retain your steering wheel volume controls. Now, just a couple of notes here, the driver information display will show the last information that was shown prior to removing the factory radio, so keep that in mind. This interface does not retain the factory Bluetooth or Sirius satellite radio. The radio is designed to shut off when the key is removed, and 2010 and up vehicles with premium sound system do not retain the RAP feature. Obviously, it reiterates what we've gone over that's included in the box. What's cool down here shows you where everything connects, also identifies what wire does what. In the event you're not quite sure what color actually does what, check this information and you can match it to your selected manufacturer's radio. Also shows you how to connect your steering wheel volume controls and the dip switch configuration that's needed. Flipping this on over, looking further at those dip switches, you have selected radios here, and based on which radio you're looking to install, you'll select those dip switches either on or off. We're installing a Sony today, so you look at the new Sony here, we're going to have an off-on-off configuration for those three dip switches. Now down here too as well, for certain vehicles it will give you a little bit information regarding option A or B of which steering wheel control harness that you should use. And also, if you have an aftermarket radio that doesn't have a plug, a 3.5mm plug, nor does it have the blue-yellow wire or something that you can connect to, you can cut off the 3.5mm plug and manually wire those to key 1, key 2, and ground. Finally, here down at the bottom, it does reiterate everything that was on the back of the box in terms of fit guide. Look a little bit closer, those are your dip switches. This is the port that also your steering wheel control harness will connect into, depending if you use option B or B, depending on the radio that you're installing. This is a USB port that's not used in this application, and this is your main harness where it will plug into this guy. So that's about it for this quick unboxing. Really, it's a great harness. It's an easy solution if you're looking to throw an aftermarket radio in those select Volkswagen vehicles. Awesome thing is it comes pre-programmed with steering wheel controls. We love that part about it. If you want to see this harness in action, we're going to be installing this in a 2008 Volkswagen Jetta. Now in that video we'll show you how to wire everything up and get it paired with an aftermarket radio. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. We post great content on the channel all the time, and we will see you in the next video.